this one I call the pig. I put a lot of work into this because I was trying to figure out if I could make a walking robot that walked on 4 legs that didn't have knees, so that I could just use 4 servos to do that. So to be able to get weight transfer was what this was all about, and I worked out just by trialing some coding that I could do that by getting a pattern where as it's walking I'm getting it into an off balance position, so it's sort of teetering on opposing diagonal legs, and then it can swing a leg through to propel it, swing the other opposing leg through, and so on. There's a bit of a pattern. I took some photos while I was doing it. I spent many hours with this little early version of this robot trundling around the floor getting it to walk, and I was delighted when I could get it to walk. So it can actually walk forwards, backwards, left and right as well by varying the instructions. If I put my hand over that side, it will turn away from it. My hand over this side, it will turn away from that. And just like the others, it has an infrared receiver in it up here. It also has it also has a couple of switches up here that I can activate to put it into remote control mode, so I can drive it around with a remote control using the infrared. So I've dressed it up as well just by kit bashing old models and toys, and once again just using spray paint, so just quite simple. So this will walk forward, and you can also get it to walk backwards, which was a nice discovery. I discovered that just by reversing all the code instructions one by one that I had done to that I'd created to make it walk forward. So to make it go left and right, backwards and forwards. So the same system, once again, it has a Kiwi Patch circuit board for prototyping circuitry, and it has the 14M2 chip here, and because of the servos needing to be, well, basically running 4 servos, they have a separate power supply for the servos and a separate one for the circuit itself, the control circuit.